This is Chase's first meal. Is it good? He didn't like it at first. But now he's crying because he wants more, but he ate it all. Let's see if I can get a little bit more. Let's see. Here, Chasey, take a bite. He's trying to hold the spoon. You want to hold that spoon? Do you want to hold that spoon? Whoa, excuse you. Here, you hold it. Don't gag yourself. You have made a mess. Look at your face. Hi, Chase. Is your food good? Do you like it? Yeah? Is it yummy? Okay, we'll finish your bottle. Who's a good boy? You're trying to grab for it? Oh, hi. You're so cute. Stick your tongue out. Say. He giggles. Hi, Giggles. Look at your face. Look at that face. Hi, Giggles. Are you talking to me? All right, let's get you some more food.